This training is unique compared to other trainings that I've been through in that the focus is really on sales management.
Everything that has been recommended, everything that's been shown is based on research of what has been taking place, and the conclusions are very sound and well-founded. And that makes me feel comfortable that I can take this to the teams that I'm working with and have them pick up on some of these key concepts.
It's an area where there's not a lot of focus. People tend to focus on the sales training for the sales reps and not the manager, and I think you can probably get a lot of benefit from training the managers to work more effectively with their sales teams.
The framework was very simple, but within its simplicity was incredibly robust.
The program is flexible across all different types of industries, all different types of sales programs and sales methodologies. I think it's something that a lot of different companies could utilize, and I found that very enlightening.
I really liked the interaction of the instructor with the students, but the role plays that we did I felt were very much attuned to taking those concepts and applying to the challenges that we have. And sometimes other management training is kind of, well, really doesn't apply, but this would hit right on the mark.
The direct focus on sales managers, how they design the activities and where they're going to focus, how they provide clarity, I think is a dramatic leap forward.
Other management training's been more philosophical or conceptual, and this is very practical.
We get caught up in a lot of day-to-day activities, either attending meetings, looking at numbers, how we're extracting certain perceptions about the business based on those numbers. And I think as a sales management team, we're really losing the focus on, are we coaching our reps to be successful?
It got you to look at the sales process in more of a methodical way, but it talked a lot about the interaction between the manager and the salesperson. And it really got you to focus on what the manager needs to do to help his salespeople be successful.
This really focuses on the manager as a coach and the manager and how they can really take back control and cadence over their day and their schedule.
I now have a model in which to think about how I'm going to have discussions with my people to coach them to the higher levels. Okay, what's the result, the objectives, and the activities? And it's a simplistic model that is easy for me to take and apply back to our situation in our company. And I feel like starting Monday, we'll be able to really make a connection with our people and what we're trying to achieve on a business level and get right down to the activities that our people, our sales folks, have to do to make those things happen.
I think it's to implement right away, and that's the beauty of the program. Start plotting out those activities and certainly share the message of applying both a strategic framework of results, objectives, and activities, and the supporting coaching framework to coaching to those activities to achieve those objectives and results.